Hi friends, welcome to ACC Mumbai. This is Abhinandan. In the previous lecture, we have observed that squares and square roots, exercise 5.1, we have finished the first 3 questions of the exercise 5.1. Today, we shall proceed with the question number 4, 5 and 6 of the same exercise. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and keep rocking. Let's proceed. So my dear students, the question number 4 is a pattern. We have a pattern observed as 11 square is 121. After that, we have 101 square, 1001 square, 1,01 square, and the last question. What do we observe? We observe when it was 11 square as 121, when I made this 11 as 101. Please look at the starting number and the ending number. It starts with 1 and ends with 1. And in between you have the number 2. However, between 1 and 2, we observe the same number of zeros have to be inserted over here. So when I see 101, 101 became 10201. The starting number was 1, it ended with 1. Similarly, when it was 1001, 1001, you have 100201. In this regard, when we have 4 zeros, you will observe all these 4 numbers would come twice. Once between 1 and 2, and for the second time between 2 and 1. So I will proceed and go ahead and I will say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the number of zeros between 1 and 2 and 2 and 1. This would be the square of 100001 on the right hand side. When I took this number on the left hand side, which is 100000, 6 zeros on the left hand side of the number, which is 1000001 square. Let us proceed. I will go ahead and I will say in the same pattern, I will say I'll start with 1, I'll end with 1. In between, I will put 2. Please go ahead. What should I do? If you observe, when there was no 0, there was just 2. When it was 1 0, I put 1 0 between both the numbers. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 4 zeros, 4 zeros, 4 zeros. Similarly, since there are 6 zeros, I will go ahead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will observe and I will write 6 zeros between 1 and 2 and between 2 and 1 also. So the number starts with 1, ends with 1. In the entire center of the number, I have the number 2, and in between 1 and 2 and 2 and 0, we have same number of zeros as there were in the question on the left hand side. This was the 4th question of exercise 5.1. Let's proceed with the 5th question. So students, have a look at the 5th question. 11 square is 121. 101 square is 10201. 10101 square, which is 10,101 square, is 1020302001. What pattern do you observe? 121, 10201, 1020300201. We observe again the starting number and the ending number are 1. This is 1 with 1. Similarly, the moment you see 2 zeros, 1 0 and no 0. So when there was 1 0, we had 2 zeros in the square. When we had 2 zeros, you had 4 zeros in the square. So if there are 3 zeros, you will have 6 zeros in the square, and you will have an ascending and descending order. We had 10, 20, 30, and then 10, 20, 30, 201. It had 10, 20, 30, 201. It was till 3 and it was descending. With this, I will say this. You will observe in this number 101001, we have 3 zeros. the 3 zeros will take the turn as 6 zeros in the square. When we had 1 0, we had 2 zeros in totality for the square. So in this 3 zeros, 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1, I would say 1 0, 2 0, 3 0. After this 3 0, you have 4. However, these 3 zeros have been completed. So you will go ahead with a descending order. 4 0, 3 0, 2 0, 1. On the same grounds, if I have the square which is given to me, 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, 5 0, 4 0, 3 0, 2 0, 1. If you observe on the right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are on the left hand side of 5 and 4 zeros on the right hand side of the number of 5. So you will say if there were 6 zeros, there were 3 zeros over here. When there were 4, there were 2. So here we have 3 and 6, here 2 and 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if it is 8, on the left hand side, the original number will have 4 zeros in the entire number. On the same format, 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros. So the starting number would be 1, the ending number would be 1. In between, you'll have alternate 4 zeros. So I would say I start with 1, I end with 1. Alternate zeros. First 0, second 0, third 0, fourth 0. You will say the number over here would be 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1 square. Look at the pattern over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the pattern we observe in this exercise 5.1. We have done the first 5 questions. In the next video, we shall proceed with the other questions of the same exercise 5.1 and shall finish it off. Till then, do keep smiling and rocking and keep enjoying the mathematics. And please subscribe to my channel and do give me a support with a thumbs up. Have a wonderful day ahead. Keep rocking. Bye-bye.